Hi, meet Dr. Demir, a dentist who takes the fear, pain, and expense out of dental work by utilizing CAD/CAM dental technology to make a tooth in just 8 minutes, with a material that's 4 times stronger than natural teeth and 100% biocompatible. Alex is heading into Dr. Demir practice now with a missing tooth. He's got a date on Friday, client meetings tomorrow, and goes on holiday in a week. There's no way he can spend 2 to 3 weeks going back and forth with multiple appointments, checks, impressions, and surgeries. Alex needs a fast solution, and luckily, Dr. Demir's one-session CAD/CAM dentistry is guaranteed to repair his charming smile in just 1 hour. Best of all, Dr. Demir's applies the highest standard of care and surgical precision to achieve perfection. Alex's new tooth seamlessly fits and matches his other teeth perfectly. Don't let a missing or broken tooth ruin your smile or cause you embarrassment. Visit our office or call today for perfect teeth in no time.